Okay, I figured we'd talk a little bit about stoves, camp stoves, and then propane. Now, these stoves normally run on an isobutane kind of thing. This one is, yeah, this is isobutane propane fuel mix. And just to give you an idea, this and this big giant thing are the same price. So these small green cans of propane are way cheaper than that thing. And this is just a tiny one too. The price only goes up from there. That's the smallest one I have. I kind of like this one because it does fit inside of that little nesting cup thing there. But here's where your adapters come in, okay? So this is the threaded end that your stove will go on, but that won't fit this like it'll fit this. So you screw your stove into there, and lo and behold, on the other side you have the fitting for your propane bottle. You've just cut a lot of price out of prepping right there. Now, here's what makes it even better. This is even more of a draw. So what happens when this thing's empty? Well, when these are empty, they're pretty much toast. This guy right here, this is so you can fill your tank on a 20-pound propane tank. See, look at that. It's getting better and better, right? Thing is, these are big. So, man pack, you could probably take one of them with you, you know. I mean, maybe you could take more if you're really into propane, but, I mean, they're large. That's where these really shine, you know. But yeah, just throwing that out there. These stoves are kind of the way that I've been going, and if you're using freeze-dried a lot, you definitely want to have a few of these. I got 3 of these stoves that I own. This one, it's a little bigger, and I like the flame signature, but it doesn't have its own igniter. Some of the other ones I have, they're a little smaller, but they have a push-button ignite, which makes it kind of nice, but it all depends on what you're looking for. I'm actually more apt to the flame, and I always carry a fire starter of some type, or types, you know, so that's really not as big of a deal for me. I also have this adapter, and if anybody knows what in the hell this thing is for, let me know, because I ordered it by accident about, God, 2-3 years ago, and I still haven't figured out what it's for, but I keep it with my stuff, you know. I got a whole box full of this stuff. It's not this wooden one, I just use that because it was there. Figured I'd use it as a prop, but anyhow, yeah, I was going to show you the difference in them burning, but, you know, it looks the same between the isobutane and propane and the propane. I can't tell the difference. You know, the heat signature seems to be about the same. So you're almost not even losing horsepower when you switch over. They say you're supposed to, but from when I was playing with it before, I didn't notice. And I was waiting on this was the one part that I didn't have from the equation. I just got 2 of these not too long ago, so I'm definitely going to be stocking up on the green gas, the green cans from now on. So anyway, just kind of letting you know where I'm at.